few days since we filmed anything, I think. We might have the odd clip here and there, but I think the last time you saw us, we were in Porto. Today, though, we are at Fragas de São Simão. Is that where we are?
Yeah, it says it there.
Absolutely butchered the... We're doing a 7k hike, hence the backpack. Yeah, so basically we haven't filmed too much because Seb's been a wee bit poorly. He's had a cold, which Seb never ever gets. Seb is never ill, so I think it's the relaxing. It's got to him. So we're just chilling. Yesterday we travelled from
Porto campsite.
Yeah, the campsite just outside of Porto, and we travelled south for a couple of hours to, I can't remember the name of where we are.
Sort of like, well, it's Figuera da Foz is the nearest sort of coastal town.
It's really lovely. We thought we'd come out today, do a bit of a walk. It's really sunny, really warm, but there's a breeze, which you might be able to hear if you can't. That's it, I guess. There's not much more to catch up on. So I guess we'll see you in a bit. As much as I'm moaning that we're walking uphill and it's really hot, this is the shit that I love about our trip. We were talking last night about our favourite things that we've done so far, and one of mine was doing the Camino Trail, because you just see things and you like do stuff that you wouldn't do otherwise, and you meet people. I do love being out in nature and like walking.
I missed that the last 3 days. And like went to Porto, which was nice, but then I felt like we'd just been gone anywhere.
Yeah.
4 or 5 days.
I really loved Porto. I loved seeing the city because we did so much in a day, and we saw so many cool things, and we ate some really great food, and we did go in a lot of shops, but like I also really enjoy that too. I love mooching around towns and cities. You can enjoy both and get both out of a trip like this. Oh my god, it's so nice. Yeah, I love cities. I love going around towns and shops and looking at knickknacks and mooching along. I also really love hiking in nature. We've got to cross the bridge. And when I say bridge, I mean this stick.
Nice.
We're in this little village. How cute. It's really warm. I don't know if you've gathered yet, but I'm absolutely pants in the heat. Completely rubber. When there's a breeze, it's perfect. But as soon as that breeze goes, I am done for. Poor Seb has to start with my continuous moaning. I do try and stop, but it just comes out of me. I just can't help it. That's why he's walking so far away from me right now. Right, should we go down to these lovely pools? There's a building, you can just see the roof of it there, that's got toilets, like public toilets in. I would imagine in the summer this place gets super busy. Goodness me. Like really cold. We've moved from this rock and we came across here. Now we're on this rock. We didn't film it because it was really sketchy. It's very hard to cross that river.
Pastry delights.
Okay, yeah, so we got what I think is a chocolate and cherry cake. I'm absolutely buzzing to try that. A pasta donata, obviously, and these two delights.
Yeah, these are little like pasty things.
So this one is chicken.
This is chicken.
That's
I think it's beef. The Portuguese pretty bad. I'll tell you if it's beef or not. Yeah.
Like a pasty.
Yeah. It's like cheesy, beefy bolognese. It tastes like inside of lasagna like we had before.
Mm-hmm.
Like pasta, but it's like different this time. Obviously breadcrumbed. It's delicious wherever it is.
Nice.
Ooh, yeah, nice. Yeah,
Like a chicken Scotch egg. Very herby.
nice. Good.
Good.
Quite different from the one we had.
Oh.
Good. Not good.
It's got a weird flavour.
Good flavour or bad flavour?
No, like chlorine.
They're bad. Chlorine? Regret the decision.
No.
It just tastes like... I suppose you went for a standard chocolate cake.
But I thought it was like cherry. Oh. It is. Oh, fuck, that's amazing. Try it.
I think you go for like one
You don't know it's standard until you try it. That could be like a local dish.
that's definitely gone. That's banging. Put on your toe in it.
It's like a chocolate fondant, like brownie,
Yeah, good enough for that.
and then cherry.
That's banging, that's not really special.
This outside bit on this side just tasted a bit weird.
It doesn't taste weird.
It did. When I got to the middle, it was fine. That's when you said, "Do you regret your decision?" That's why I said no. We are on our way now, so we ate all that food. It was banging. It was so good. So we're now on our way to another campsite. We're not staying there, but they rent out kayaks and canoes. This was like a bit of a date day. Yeah, because I had no idea what we were doing. Huh?
Getting a lot into
Yeah, it has been a classic Seb day. Like, I just wanted to go down to the water, but Seb made me do a 5-kilometre hike to get to the water that was literally at the bottom of the car park. But to get there, I had to climb up and around. Like, that is so classic Seb. It's unbelievable. We did see more.
You did say this is the worst thing you've ever done.
I did at one point say, this is horrendous, and you said, what is? And I said, this hike, and you said, in what way? And I said, every way. It's hot, it's sweaty, we're going uphill. But then I was like, wow, this is amazing. So it was also a classic hike for me in the terms of like how much I hated it, but actually loved it, and I just love moaning. So that was fun. And then we went in the water, and then we read our our books, and then we got really hungry, and then we had some snacks, and now we're here. So yeah, it's been a great day, and it is 5:15. Okay, we're at the campsite. Seb has just gone to speak to the man to see if we can hire the kayaks and canoes, but I think there may have been a translation error. He's gone off with the bloke. You can't see, but over there. It's very hard to like, oh, anyway. I think there may have been a translation error because the man said one night and Seb said yes. And now they've gone off, so hopefully he doesn't think we are camping here, because we're not. We're camping at our campsite, which is really nice. I think I was meant to do a tour, wasn't I? But I'll show you a little map. It's called Tamanco. I'm probably butchering the pronunciation of that, but how beautiful is this? The map, it's so beautifully illustrated. Like, I absolutely love illustrations like this where it's watercolor and ink. I just love it. Love it. So this is the campsite. You come in, this is like the main road here, and you come in, they've got a little bazaar, like vintage shop, like secondhand thing, I guess, where people donate stuff they no longer need or want on their travels. They've got their reception, they've got toilets here and the shower block, laundry service, and then you've got lots of areas that they are rewilding. So really weirdly, this is honestly such a small world. The family that owned this campsite are from Stroud. How weird is that? We didn't know that when we booked it. We didn't even know it was owned by a British family. And they're from Stroud. So strange. So that was very cool. We found that out yesterday. You've got a swimming pool here as well, which is really very lovely. And then you've got this whole area. So what I was saying was the family from Stroud, who now own this campsite, they bought it a few years ago, are trying to put back all of the sort of natural and local flowers and trees and everything back into the campsite, which is absolutely lush. So yeah, really lovely. And then on the other side, they also have the map of the local area, and have given us like lots of suggestions of places to go. So tomorrow, this is where we're going to head. I'm not even going to try and attempt to say that. There's a surf beach here, and there's some really lovely restaurants. There's a little boat, a free boat that takes you over across the harbour. So yes, and then this is where we were today, I think. I might be wrong, actually. I thought that's where we were, but we may not have been. But yeah, really cool. Again, love the artwork.
Where are we, Sam?
I don't actually know.
Nice, isn't it?
We've seen eagles,
flying above.
swallows, a pigeon, a creepy ruin in the water. It's lush. Look at that view. This morning, Seb put my wet shoes on the the top of the cab.
Dry, because I was being really nice.
He was, and then we were just driving down the like an A road, and he just went, "Shit, your shoes!" Thankfully, they're still there.
I told you they're a good place to put them.
How are you feeling today?
Awful. My neck's fucked. I felt like I still got like a cold. I'm all like itchy face. Sorry.
Seb is never ill, ever. So this sucks. So he's gonna chill. We're gonna go to the beach.
After coffee, I think it'll be fun.
Sure. I'm driving today. We are heading to something Foz. I have no idea how you say it.
Figuera da Foz. So that's the town over there. But we're gonna go to the beach.
We're gonna go to the beach next to it.
See something.
It's meant to be good for surf. Hopefully it's like nice and gentle, fun waves, not like big crashy, scary ones, because you don't have the energy for that, and I can't surf those. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see in a bit. We've got to the beach and we're just having a barocca. Gonna make some breakfast and coffee and we're going to bed. It's very dark in here now, but we've closed the curtains, we've put the screens on there. We're gonna keep the mosquito net down just to stop all the sun coming in throughout the day, and we've left this thing open to try and keep it cool. We're not too hot when the sun comes over. It worked really well yesterday, to be fair. Hello! It is quite late in the afternoon. We've had a really nice...
It's just like midday for us, so...
It does feel like... Is that the ferry?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll speak to you in a bit.
Second ferry of the holiday. Although they told us it was free, but it's definitely €150 return.
Hello, okay, right, we're back. As we were saying, we're getting the ferry, that ferry, to the other side. It's an electric ferry. It was actually. Very new, very nice, very shiny. We're going over to the other side of the bay to get some ice cream and just have a little mooch around this place, which name I still can't say or remember, so I'm going to leave it here. What is it?
Figuera da Foz.
Figuera da Foz.
Probably not pronounced that way.
No, it's a bit like shite, so I'm going to put it on the screen. And we need to find a bank to get some money out and figure out our plan for the next few days.
Found this little park spot. Stunning. We've come down this sand track, which we got down alright. Should be alright to get back. Let's hope otherwise it's going to be stuck. Pretty fucked, but yeah, should be fine. Eddie did well.